Hello, it is your girl Linda Sims of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance on my tonight. The song is All Right. The artist is Monet, and the choreography is Leslie Brand of Louisville, Kentucky. And here we go. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And also, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Let's go. Was that cute? Y'all check out Leslie Brand. She does this dance and it is so much attitude. It is so cute. That is on my tonight. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.